Let's see how to solve the double cubic equation. A naive way would be both sides multiplied by x cubed, so you can cancel the denominators. But the problem is, you create a new equation with degree 6, which is hard to solve. So we need to do it in a smart way. Let's combine the first and the third term and write as x cubed plus 1 over x cubed. For the remaining two terms, I take the common factor -6 out. So get x plus 1 over x equals 0. Now for the first two terms, we use the sum of cubics formula. A cubed plus b cubed equals a plus b times a squared, which is x squared, minus ab, so x times 1 over x, plus b squared, so which is 1 over x squared, and then minus 6 times x plus 1 over x equals 0. Now we take the common factor out, so we get x plus 1 over x. Then the first term is x squared, x times 1 over x, 1, so minus 1, plus 1 over x squared. And for the second term, they're only -6 equals 0. So we get x plus 1 over x times x squared plus 1 over x squared minus 7 equals 0. You see here x is degree 1, but here degree 2. Let's try to factor the second one. To do that, we create a perfect square. So x plus 1 over x times, we use as a, so a squared plus 2ab, so plus 2, a is x, b is 1 over x, plus b squared, 1 over x squared, and then you need to minus this term to make balance, so minus 2x times 1 over x, and then minus 7 equals 0. Then we get x plus 1 over x. And the first returns combine to a perfect square. So x plus 1 over x squared. And here actually -2, right? -2 minus 7, -9. But we can write as 3 squared equals 0. So we can use the difference of squares formula to factor the second one. So we get x plus 1 over x times a plus b. So it will be x plus 1 over x, which is a, plus b, which is 3, times a minus b. So it will be x plus 1 over x minus 3 equals 0. So we have 3 possibilities. Either the first factor equals 0, so x plus 1 over x equals 0, or the second factor equals 0. So x plus 1 over x plus 3 equals 0, or the last one equals 0. So x plus 1 over x minus 3 equals 0. For the first one, both sides multiply by x. So we get x squared plus 1 equals 0. So x squared equals -1. No real solutions, because the square of any real number should be non-negative. Let's look at the second one. Again, both sides multiply by x, so we get x squared, so the first one, and then 3 times x, so 3x. This one times x plus 1, so plus 1 equals 0. It is hard to factor directly, so let's just use quadratic formula. So, x equals negative b. So negative 3 plus minus square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c divided by 2 times a, which is 1. We can simplify that. So we get negative 3 plus minus square root of 9 minus 4, 5 divided by 2. Similarly, this one, both sides multiplied by x, so we get x squared minus 3x plus 1 equals 0. Quadratic formula, so we get x equals negative b, so it's 3 plus minus square root of negative b squared minus 4ac again, 4, 1, and say 1 again, divided by 2a. So we get 3 plus minus, again, 9 minus 4, 5, divided by 2. So we get 4 real solutions for the given equation. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you.